is to be that question we were discussing in the last class. Today we'll be taking this question where we are having a triangle. First you are going to try it and then only we will be discussing. Okay? Because at first only when I take the question and then I start explaining, it seems like, yeah, you are getting it. But until or unless you are not trying by yourself, you will not understand what exactly the question, what exactly the instruction says. Okay? Which information is given and which information is asked. Because in my previous like few classes I was taking, and even if I am writing whatever is given in the question, the main question of the student was, why I am taking one of the angle as a 60-degree? Then I have to repeat again and again. It is not me taking one of the angle as a 60-degree. It is given in the question itself. Okay. So I am drawing the figure over here. I am writing the information which is given in the question itself. You have to think about it. I'll give you 2 to 3 minutes. Think about it. Let me know whether you are able to do it or not. And yeah, then we will be discussing it. Okay. This is P, this is Q, this is R. Let me make it. Yeah. This angle is mentioned over here. This is S and this is T. The straight line ST is there. I'm writing everything according to the question. So it says that in the given figure, angle PQR is equals to angle PRQ. R, this is R. Okay. Then prove that angle PQS is equals to angle PRT. Irshad, please try it. Everyone, please try it at first. And yes, Irshad, last class, I believe I missed you. Please, can you please annotate which angle is angle PQS? Okay, leave it. Which angle is angle PRT? Irshad, which angle is angle PRT? Is it possible for you to annotate over here? Exactly. Okay. Yeah, I can see you got it. Please try it, everyone, and then we are going to discuss it. Okay.
I wasn't there in the last class.
Yes, Sarah, we have just discussed one question that was related to the previous question. Nothing new we have discussed, the application of vertically opposite angle, and I will give that question to you. You first try it at home and let me know in the next class whether you will be or not. I'm writing that question on the right side of the screen. You try it first and then let me know in the next class. Okay, for now just focus on like the concept, nothing new we have discussed. Same vertically opposite angle, the application of linear pair, these are the concepts which we were continuing. Okay, so I'm writing the question over here for Sarah, just for Sarah. Okay, the question is from exercise only I have taken the question. The figure looks like this. Yes, for now please focus on question number, like the left side question, we can call it question 3. Okay, for now focus on question 3. Question 2 is just for Sarah, and that too also, Sarah, you are going to try it after the class. Check it whether you will be able to do or not. If not, then just after joining the class in the next class, I will explain this to you. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, are you able to do? Are you able to prove that PQS is equals to PRT?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Yeah, what you say? Sazia, Sara, Ayan, Farhan, Irshad. Anyone else is there? No, right? Are you able to prove for question number 3 that PQ angle PQS is equals to angle PRT? Yes, Sara, Ayan, Farhan, Sazia.
No, ma'am.
Okay. Irshad.
No, ma'am.
Okay, let's do it. Okay. Since we understand that ST is a straight line, we know that ST is a straight line. Here, a line ST is given over here, and it is given that angle PQR is equals to angle PRQ. Let me copy it down. It is given to us. Here, I am writing the solution. It is, or we can call it proof. Okay. It is given that angle PQR is equals to angle PRQ. This is already given to us. Now we have to show that outward angle is also same. So can we say that this PRQ plus PRT, this one and the inside one is a linear pair? Can we say here
Yes, ma'am.
angle PRQ plus angle PRT, it's a linear pair, 180 degree, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Similarly, we can say for the left angle also, we will be saying that angle PQS plus angle PQR is equals to 180 degree. Okay, PQR plus PQS is 180 degree. Angle PQR plus angle PQS is equals to 180 degree. Again, it's a linear pair. Okay, we know that PQR and PRQ is same. Let's say both are X. Okay, let's say both are X. Let's assume that. So in our equation number 1 and equation number 2, can we write PRQ? Wait, I am going to replace this PRQ with X. Can we do so? Can we replace PRQ with X and PRT
Yes,
as it is equals to 180 degree? Can we say angle PRT is 180 minus X? Yes or no?
yes,
Similarly, here also, if we will replace angle PQR with X, so can we say that PQS is 180 minus X? Can we?
yes, ma'am.
Rather than giving that 2 as a equation 1 and 2, just give the customized form as a equation 1 and 2, and then we can say comparing 1 and 2, we will say that both are same, which we have to prove. We got it. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
From 1 and 2, we can say that angle PRT is same as angle PQS, and we are done. Any confusion?
No, ma'am.
Okay. So this is how we will prove if the inside angle is same. We will be able to prove the outside angle is also same because both are making a linear pair and both are 180 minus x only. So both are equal with each other. Any confusion over here?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Okay. Let's do the next one. This is x, this is y, this is z, and this is w. Okay, O is the point of intersection. We have to say in the given figure, if x plus y is equals to w plus z, then prove that AOB, okay, I have not mentioned which one is A, is a line. This is A, this is O, and this is B. Here we are having C, this is ray OC, and here we are having D. This is a ray OD. Okay, yeah, this one is the complete instruction given along with the figure. Please try it. How to prove that AOB is a straight line, is a line? Try it.
Ma'am, x plus y is equals to 180 and y plus z is equals to 180.
X plus y is equals to 180.
Yes, ma'am.
We don't know that x plus y is 180 or not. We don't know that. Even if it look like a line, a straight line over here, but it may not. Here, that only we have to prove. Sazia, you are saying, right? Right, Sazia?
Yes, ma'am.
You replied, right? Here, see, we have to prove that AOB is a line. So for now, we cannot say x plus y is 180. We have to prove that x plus y is 180. This is what we have to show over here. That x plus y, yeah, we are getting it 180. Yes, AOB is a line. Then only we can say x plus y is 180. That we have to prove over here. How to start and how to prove, that only we have to think about. Okay, given condition is, we can see the given condition x plus y is equals to w plus z. Any idea? Sara, Sazia, Ayan, Farhan, Irshad, are you getting it? How to do it? Are you getting it? Are you trying it? If not, then we can discuss over here. Are you trying?
Ma'am, I'm not getting it.
Okay, you are not getting from me. Yes, Ayan, what about you? Irshad, Sazia and Sara? Let's prove it. Okay, let's prove it. How to prove it? So, complete angle we were discussing in the first class, that if we are having, let's say, this line, 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 even if a straight line we cannot see properly, it is not known that any straight line is there, but can we say this angle, this angle, this angle, this angle, this angle, this angle, and this angle, maybe A plus B plus C plus D plus E plus F plus G all together, all added together will be 360 degree. Can we say?
Yes,
Can
ma'am.
we?
Yes, ma'am.
We can say that. So the same concept we are going to use in our question. We don't know any line is straight or not. We don't know whether it's a inclined tilted line or what. We don't know. But we know that sum of all, we can say 360 degree. We know that sum of all has to be 360 degrees. So proof we will start like that we know that x plus y plus z plus w, or x plus w plus z plus y all together added will be 360 degree complete angle. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Sarah, you said anything? Or Sazia, anyone said anything?
Nothing.
I'm not getting what you are trying to say. Okay, are you trying to say you got it? So far it is clear. That's what you are saying? Okay, so we have written x plus y plus z plus w all together. We don't know whether any line is a straight line or not. A or B, we have to prove it's a straight line. Anyway, if we will be able to prove that x plus y is 180, or maybe w plus z is 180, if that we will be able to prove, then we can say that A or B is a straight line. Why? Because if these two angles sum, if this two green angles sum is 180 degree, then obviously it's a straight line. Then only we are getting a linear pair. Or maybe if we will be able to prove that w plus z is 180 degree, then also we will be able to say that AOB is a straight line. Okay. So what we will do over here, given that x plus y is equals to w plus z, given that x plus y and w plus z are same, so at the place of w plus z, can I write x plus y? Yes, because it is given that x plus y is same as w plus z. Okay, so I'm just replacing w plus z with x plus y, because it is given that x plus y is equals to w plus z. What are we going to get from here? X plus x will be, can you tell me x plus x will be? Who will say? 2x. And y plus y will be? 2y is equals to 360. What can be done from here?
We can divide.
We can divide. 2 we can take out common. And we can divide, the other will be x plus y is equals to 360 by 2, that is 180 degree. X plus y is 180 degree. That's what we wanted to prove, right? Anyway, if we will be able to prove that x plus y is 180 degree, or maybe z plus w is 180 degree, then we can say that AOB is a straight line, because these two are linear pair. Now we can say that hence AOB is a straight line. Any confusion?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Have you copied? Have you copied?
Yes, ma'am.
Let's move. Now the next part is, next question is, you have to practice a lot of questions from here. Then only you will feel confident, and then only you will start applying the logic in the new scenario, new question. But that requires practice. Okay, let's do the next one. Before solving the next question, let's do one more question. Okay, for now, let's discuss this one. In the given figure, POQ is a line. Ray OR is perpendicular to line PQ. OS is another ray lying between the rays OP and OR. Prove that angle ROS is equals to 1 by 2 angle QOS minus angle POS. I'm drawing the figure. It's a straight line, okay? Even if it doesn't look like that, it's given that POQ is a line, so you have to assume that it's a straight line. Yeah, try it first. Please try it, then only we will be discussing this one. Think about it. Okay, take 5 minutes, try it and think about it, what can be done, and then only we will be discussing this one. Are you getting it? Sarah, Sazia, Ayan, Farhan, and Irshad. Are you getting how can we do it? No? One of the angle is given to us, that is 90 degree. We know angle ROQ is 90 degree. And POQ is a straight line. POQ is a straight line. And angle ROQ is 90 degree. So can we say that other part POR or ROP will also be 90 degree? Can we say?
Yes.
Here it is written also clearly that ray OR is perpendicular to the line PQ. That means the other part, this part is also 90 degree, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, let's use the information which is given. Here we have to keep one eye on the proof part. That means whatever is written in the proof, the angles used in the proof part, that ROS angle is there. I'm talking about this part. ROS, QOS, POS. One eye we have to keep on this part, and another we have to focus on apply, like which logic can be applied over. But in our mind, it has to be there that anyway we can use angle ROS, angle QOS, angle POS. Why? Because that is there in the proof. Okay. So for now, at first we will be writing, since ray OR is perpendicular. Okay, let me write it. Perpendicular to PQ, we can write that angle ROP is 90 degree. We can write it, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes or no? Now this ROP, here ROS is there. ROS is there in the proof part. So as I said, anyway, we will try using that. So can we break ROP angle? Can we break? Let's try to break this angle by using ROS. Who will say? Can we break ROP so that this ROS will come, because that is there in the proof?
Yes, ma'am.
How?
Ma'am, we should consider that angle ROS is X.
Yes, ROS is X. I mean, can we divide ROP so that we will be having ROS or something like that? Can we? Can we? Yes, Farhan, you were saying something. Please continue. Okay. Can we write it ROP as an angle ROS plus angle POS? Can we?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes or no? Why we did so? Because in the proof, something these two angles are sitting in the proof part. So maybe it will help us getting it. Okay. Now here we also know that angle ROQ, that is also 90 degree. So we know that since OR is perpendicular to PQ, so angle ROQ is also 90 degree. ROQ is also 90 degree. When we will compare equation 1 and 2, comparing 1 and 2, can we write the left? Let me show you. Comparing 1 and 2, we can write that angle ROS plus angle POS is equals to angle ROQ. Can we, sorry, or ROQ. Can we write it? Comparing 1 and 2. Both are 90 degree. So we can compare them. Yes or no? Sara, Sazia, Ayan, Farhan, Irshad.
Yes, ma'am.
So far, is it making sense to you? Why? In which
Yes, ma'am.
direction exactly we are moving? We are moving in the direction, whatever is given in the proof part, whatever is reflecting in the proof part, anyway we are trying to write those angles by using the information which is given to us. What is the information which is given to us? In mathematics, whatever information is given to you, each and every information will be helpful to solve the equation, to solve the question. So take it seriously. Okay. Here it is clearly written that OR is perpendicular to the line PQ. OR is perpendicular to PQ. We need to use this information and we are using it anyway. Okay, this is what we have written, but still we are not able to prove whatever is given over here, that ROS is equals to 1 by 2 QOS minus POS. Okay, so can we write this angle ROQ? This angle ROQ, I'm going to say something very important. Focus. Okay, focus over here. If you are thinking any other thing, okay, any other like about your school or maybe about your friend, if you are thinking, I am telling you, focus over here. If you will miss, you will not get it. Okay, ROQ angle, this 90 degree, I am going to replace it with, I am going to write this angle ROQ as total angle, SOQ or QOS, angle QOS minus angle ROS, minus angle ROS. This angle. Can we write total angle minus the orange one is ROQ? Can we? Can we write it?
Yes.
Yes, we can write it. We are going to replace ROQ with that. Ayan, Farhan and Irshad, are you getting it? Are you getting it?
Yes, ma'am.
The blue angle
Yes,
minus the orange one is still ROQ, the 90 degree one. Okay. So we will be writing it over here. That ROQ means angle QOS minus ROS. Why we are doing so? Because in the proof part, something like this was reflecting. ROS is equals to, angle ROS is equals to 1 by 2 into something is there. If you will shift this 1 by 2 to the other side, no, by doing crisscross multiplication, you will find 2 times angle ROS. That's why here again I am trying to break the other side as by taking ROS only. Okay, if you will focus on ROS only, no, you will be able to prove it, and we are done. Can you see? We are done. We are done. We will keep ROS on one side, ROS, and this ROS also in this side will be ROS is equals to angle QOS minus angle POS. Check it. Check it. We are done. QOS minus POS we have got, and 2 times ROS we are able to get. We are getting it. Can you see it?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you see it?
Yes,
2
ma'am.
times. So if you will just focus on this angle ROS, you will be done. Okay. You will be able to finish this proof. Otherwise, you will end up getting confused. ROS is equals to 1 by 2 angle QOS minus POS. Let me summarize everything. Let me summarize what we did over here. See, it is given that PQ is perpendicular. PQ is a line and OR is perpendicular. Ray OR is perpendicular. Okay, ray OR is perpendicular. That means angle, the other side of the angle, this side is 90 degrees. So other part is also 90 degree. We understand that. Okay. Now other side we are trying to break it by using ROS. Why ROS? Because that's what we can see in the proof part. Okay. We done with the breaking. Now still we are thinking, now what? Now what we can do, since other part like ROQ is also 90 degree. So we can write the broken part is equals to ROQ. Now again we have to break ROQ, and this time also we will try breaking ROQ by using ROS, which is quite tricky. Okay, if I'm telling you this is the complete angle. This is the angle POS. Okay, and this angle is A, this angle is B, and can we write POS as a plus B? This one is very simple. This one is very simple. If you have to break any angle like this is very simple. But if you have to break any angle like the way we did now, if you have to write the angle ROQ as a total angle, total blue angle, the blue one, again I am overwriting on that. Focus on the blue angle. The blue angle minus the orange angle, that is ROQ. Blue angle minus orange angle is ROQ. And that's what we have replaced ROQ with. And we are done with the proof. We are done with the proof. See, check it. Copy it down. Okay, the proof starts from here. Proof starts from here. Copy it, everyone. And if you are having any confusion, please let me know. Sarah, Sazia, is it clear? Ayan, Farhan,
Yes, ma'am.
Irshad, is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, from here the proof starts. These are the steps which we have to write over here. Write it so beautifully, each and every step in a explained way, so that anyone who will check the copy will understand. Okay, you have thought this part, you have taken it like this, you have taken it like that. It will be crystal clear from your steps. Write it that beautifully. Then only the triangle chapter and quadrilateral chapter will be very easy for you if you will learn writing over here. Okay, so you don't have to follow my way. There are so many ways of solving this one. This is just one of the way, and if you know any other way, please let me know. I will check it. Okay, I always ask my student, use any method. Even if when I teach in school, I ask my student, use any method, but it has to be correct only. Okay, you have to stick to concept. That's it. So to solve a math question, there are so many ways and you can use any way. Okay, we will give you full marks, but you have to use the correct concept at least. Copy it. I have kept it over here. From the proof part, I have kept it over here. Question is already there in your book also. Okay, I have kept it over there. Once you are done this much, tell me. I will scroll it down. Then you can copy the downward part also. Okay.
I'm getting
Scroll up or down? Up,
down.
down. Let me know once you are done. Yeah, done?
Yes.
Okay, now let me give you one more question. Okay, let's discuss the last question also so that I can activate the assessment for you. Or after the next class, I will activate the assessment. First, do this question because this is also important. Just a moment. Suppose we are having just a figure. Here we have to find x. Let me check whether I have given all the information or not. Yeah. Yeah. Anyway, you have to use the concept which you already know and you have to find the angle x over here. Try it. Copy down the question. One hint I can add over here, if you're still thinking how exactly we can do. One hint I can add over here, if focus on this orange angle. If any way you will be able to find this orange angle, then you will be able to get the x also. By linear pair, of course. Okay. So focus on finding orange angle. And tell me how can we do so. Have you noted the figure, everyone? Sarah, Sazia, Ayan, Farhan, Irshad. Have you noted
Ma'am,
down
I'm
the figure?
noting it.
Note it
Yes,
down
ma'am.
and let me know. Okay, I will inform our team that today you are not going to give the assessment. However, we are almost done with this concept, that is vertically opposite angle, linear pair. Next class we will be able to start the concept related to parallel lines. If few extra questions will be there which will be related to this part, that is lines. We will be taking it in the next class as well. Meanwhile, if you get any new question, please let me know. I'll be taking it. Okay, and practice all the questions from your book and let me know whether you are getting it or not. Have you noted it down? Sarah, Sazia, have you noted down?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
I think I
I'm
got the
stop.
answer.
Tell me, Sarah. Great. Tell me.
109.
Is it 109? How you got it, Sarah?
I got the angle of ABC, which is 180 is equal to 34 plus.
Exactly. Exactly. Sarah has already done. Okay. You have to. Yes, Sarah, that is perfect. Okay. Rest of the student, first try it. You will be able to do it. Okay. Try it. Then only we will be discussing it. If you have copied it down, I will be taking few more questions in the next class. And I am keeping it this much. Just a moment. Yeah. I am keeping it this much. Do try. If now you will be able to do, great. Okay. Yes, Sarah, the concept which you have applied, that concept only we need to use over. Yes, Sazia, Ayan, Farhan and Irshad. Do it. It is very simple. You will be able to do it. Are you able?
Is it 130 per day?
No. Let me share the screen. Let's take it. Let's finish it now. So that in the next class we can take the next concept. At first you have to focus on triangle ABC. Just a second. Okay, here only I am drawing. At first you have to focus on triangle ABC. Two angles are already given. Remaining angle you will be able to find by angle sum property of the triangle. Once you are getting the remaining angle, then the outward angle also you will be able to get again by linear pair. Okay, if you got this angle, angle C you got,